Mendes, nôl at Callum Woods. Pawb tu ôl i'r bêl i Aberystwyth i Woods, godi'r bêl i gyfeiriad Will Evans. Smith ar croesiad, ac Ebi ar peniad. Symudiad da gan y Bala yn argosa. Mae'r tîm cartra di dod yn yr hanner cyntaf yma. Munud a hanner o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Lasana Mendes ar gig gornel i'r Bala ar peniad. Ar bêl heibio'r postyn. A Nathan Pete. Wel, oedd hwnna yn gyfle eiraid i'r cefnwr mawr. A rwsyd neu gilydd, y bêl eibio'r postyn. Callum Woods. A Lasana Mendes dros y gig crydd i'r Bala. Pete i fyny amdani hi. Y dyrniad gan y golwr, yr ergyd i gefn, y rhwyd gan Will Evans. Blerwch yn y cefn gan Aberystwyth. Ac efo 14 o funudau'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Y tîm cartra mynd ar y blaen. Will Evans oedd yna i fanteisio. Y Bala 1 Aberystwyth dim. Hanner ffordd drwy'r ail hanner. Woods ar gec rydd, ar bêl yn rhydd yn y cort, a mae'n hefn y rwyd. A Nathan Pete sy'n ei hawlio hi. Smonach amddiffynol. Unwaith eto gan Aberystwyth. A Nathan Pete oedd yn manteisio. Bala 2 Aberystwyth dim. Da ni mewn i'r 5 munud ola yma ar faes tegid. Matthew Jones yn camu fyny. Jones! O, taro'r postyn! Ac Owain Jones i gefn y rhwyd. Y ddau Jones yn cyfuno. Matthew Jones ar geg rydd. Owain Jones yn manteisio. A mae Aber yn ôl yn y gêm. Thorn. Dyma Matthew Jones. Jones. Gyfeiriad John Owen at Evans! O, dyna'r cyfle. Dyna'r cyfle i Jonathan Evans. Mi gymodd i gyffyrddiad. Atho hi dros y trawst. O, ergyd nerthol gan Jonathan Evans. Da ni di chwarae 3 munud a hanner dros y 90. Ai Jamie Veal. Ai Matthew Jones. Hwn yn gyfle eiraid i'r ymwerwyr. Veal i gefn y rhwyd! Jamie Veal! A dyna chi gic gampus. Drychwch ar y dathlu. Oedden nhw ar ei holi o 2 gol i ddim. A mae yna 2 gig rydd wedi cosbi'r Bala.
You know, every point now in this league, especially taking it off a team in the top 6, is massive for us. And you know, knowing what was going on around us as well, like with Haverfordwest and Carnarvon and things, you know, and Cardiff Met, like, you know, so it was a massive point for us. You know, it was again, you know, I thought first half was a fairly even game. You know, very you know, end to end. There's a few little chances here and there, but nothing much. But you know, they started off brightly second half. They really did, you know, and it caught us by a little bit of surprise. And then 2-0 up, but the character from the boys to come back was incredible, like, you know. And you know, we brought Owain Jones on, who's been missing for, you know, probably near on 10-12 weeks, and he came on to show us glimpses of what he can actually do. So that's a real positive for him to come back in. And then you've got moments of magic then, you know, from Matty's hit the post, but it's a great free kick, and then O's gets his reward, and then Vili then to keep his composure like he's done a couple of times, you know, Carnarvon away and things, and he puts one in the top bin, and like you say, it's a huge point for us at this stage of the season.
Jamie, you're making a habit of this. Carnarvon, and now here in Bala.
Yes, lucky enough to have gone in the late stage in the game, both to get us a point, which we're delighted with today. The wind would helped a little bit, so I knew if I got it over the wall, it was going to come down, and with the pace of the wind, it was going to take it into the corner, so gladly it did.
We've obviously dominated the game again, and then 2 really good free kicks from them have got them out of jail, but two horrendous free kicks to give away, and then you put yourself in a lottery that the lads can't do it, and then they've done it, so they've got out of jail with our silly free kicks and their quality of a good free kick.
The league's split now, so we'll make our own little league, and it's so tight down there. You know, anybody that goes on a 2-3 game run, you know, you get momentum and things. You know, we've taken 8 points out of the last 4 games that we've played in now, so for us that's huge. You know, and it's come at a good stage of the season, obviously going into the split. So we've got to stay positive, and like you say, we'll show togetherness in this now. You know, the boys got a night out tonight, so it's come good that we get the point now before here, and then we'll work hard again Tuesday and prep for whoever we've got next Friday or Saturday.